YouTube, what's going on? I'm out here planting my purple corn. This is purple corn that I purchased from the store. Look at the root system. That is nice and white roots. I made this garden bed yesterday. Well, I made it the day before yesterday, but what I did yesterday was I tilled the yard, this little bit of space, which was very difficult because I tilled it with a shovel and a rake because I do not own a tiller. Not sure how big this space is. I didn't do the measurements yet, but it's leftover lumber I had in my yard. Decided to give it a purpose. I started growing this corn maybe about 3 weeks ago, probably a little less than that. This stuff is, whew, it took off. It really did. Each day got bigger and bigger, and I said, okay, I gotta hurry up and get it in the ground, because one year I took too long and the corn that year was non-existent. So this is a 72 tray planter. Not all 72 grew, but that's okay. I have enough to create a small block, which is what I want. If I cannot fill this entire bed, then what I'm gonna do is plant the corn directly in the ground and maybe do like a little stagger crop. I don't have much information on purple corn, but I'm assuming it's just like corn. It takes anywhere from, I guess, 70 to 100 days. This may be faster than that because look how it's taking off. Not doing accurate measurements, I'm just eyeballing. I grew purple corn last year. The stalks came, but I didn't get any fruit, no tassels. I never even dropped that video. I should have dropped it just to show that not every time you're successful, but this looks way more successful than last year. One of the things I learned with corn that I did not know is that they're heavy feeders and they love water. And that's something that I was really not keeping up with last year, I'm gonna be honest. So what I did this year is, this is Leaf Pro, which already is like a compost. And then inside I mix chicken poo, I believe coffee grounds, eggshells, bone meal, and some other stuff I mixed in here. I'm gonna make sure I really feed it this year. Purple corn is in. This is what it looks like. I'm short maybe about 14 more, but I think I'm gonna leave it right here, and maybe on the end I'm gonna put some peppers or something. I am gonna water this in and cover it because I think I still have a groundhog on the premises, and I believe they like corn, especially when it's this small. So once it gets a little bigger, I think it's pretty safe. But this is just an example. All right, catch up to me when I'm finished, and I'll show you what the end product looks like.